Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. Today I wanted to do more of a chit chat video. I am coming up to 3 years lashing in my studio. A lot of people wonder, like, is my lash studio at my house? It's not a home-based studio. It is actually in a office building. So I'm coming up to 3 years lashing there, and I was thinking back to when I first started and I had little to no clients and how I hustled, and finally I am at a place where I'm fully booked. A lot of my clients have been with me 2.5+ years. So I want to share what I did, just in case you still haven't done some of the things that I did. You can incorporate it and help your business grow. So first, I know if you're watching this YouTube video, you're either on a phone, a computer, and that already is going to help your business so much. So with your phone, definitely your phone number, you can use that for your business, and you can make an email right from your phone. With a computer, you could do so much more for your business. You can already make your own website, and if you don't have a computer, you could go to the library, but it is a little time consuming, so let's go back to the phone. If you just have a phone, that's where you can get business cards with your phone number, your email, and that's already somewhere to start off. With your business name, go to Vistaprint. There's about 500 business cards for like $20. Vistaprint is always having deals. Having a business card is crucial for your business. When you meet someone in person, it is so professional to give them a business card right after you're done talking about your services and they're interested in booking something with you. It would be even better if you had a website and it was on your business card as well, but it does take a little bit more time and it is a little costly if you purchase your website. So let's say, let me go back a little bit. I have my website with 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗.com. When I started off, I had the free version. I didn't pay for it until like probably 6 months into it. And my website was, let's say, �ＪesicaVXO.𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗.com. So if you want to take off that 𝑽𝑰𝑆.com to just have your business name .com, you do have to buy a domain. And once you buy the domain, then you can put just your business name .com. It looks a lot more professional, like untamedartistry.com, borbolettalashes.com, like something more professional than having like your business name .wix.com. But you can definitely start with that, with 𝑽𝑰𝑆.com, and have your Instagram on your business card, and on your Instagram bio have your website and that 𝑽𝑰𝑆.com. Like, it really didn't affect my business. They would click it and my website would pop up. It is crucial as well to have a website. That's where your SEO starts building. SEO is just like your search engine. So when you go on Google and you look up best pizza places in wherever you're at, me, I would say Memphis, they're like, all the people that have websites that have tagged that in their website are going to pop up. You're not going to find a pizza place that like doesn't have a website, unfortunately, and that's what you need to do for your business. When I started my business, like I said, I had almost no clients. I moved from Las Vegas to Memphis, and I didn't know anyone to call up, like a high school friend, and say, hey, let me do your lashes so you can like promote it where you work. It was like I started from zero. And what I did, what I noticed is, looking up best lashes in Memphis, not a lot of lash artists would pop up, and the ones that did pop up with websites, their websites were like super dated. They had no Yelp reviews, no Google reviews, and this is a luxury service. Your clients are not going to want to go to some back alley place. They're not going to want to go to some place that looks super sketchy and pay $200 and they don't even know who is doing their lashes. You get what I'm saying? So having a website is crucial. I'm going to keep saying that. Is definitely crucial, because once they land on your website, that's where you have like your about me, your policies, a book now button where you can have a booking system. That's a little bit more advanced too, but Square is free. They only charge if you use their swiping thing. So, you know, there's a lot of different ways to make yourself look more professional. So having all that, having Yelp reviews on your website, all of that's going to help. You have your business cards, you have a website. I highly suggest you making a lash Instagram page. It's helped me tremendously with finding new clients and connecting with my already existing clients. I do not suggest you turning your personal account into a lash page. This is the reason. If you already have a high following on your personal account, what had you been posting before? Outfit pictures, maybe food pictures, maybe makeup pictures. People that found you are interested in that type of content. They're most likely in different states, maybe even different parts of the country. So those are not your ideal clients. They're not going to come get lashes by you. But if you make a lash page, you do not promote it on your personal page because you don't want your friends that are across the country to go follow it and start messing up your algorithm. You want to make that Instagram page and start following like local businesses in your area. Coffee shops, boutiques, yoga studios, different things like that, like even CrossFit studios, gyms in your area, lots of different places like that that are in your area. Then what you do is you look in their comments. If people are commenting and you see that they're from Memphis, follow them, interact with them, and then little by little you're going to just start building a community of people in your area, and that's going to get you your ideal clientele because they're going to start sharing your work, like, oh my god, this girl's a good lash artist. And then maybe the person that shared it has someone that is like bougie and wants to come to you, and that's your ideal clientele. So definitely don't change your personal account into a business lash account, but make your own. You can also make a Facebook page and integrate your Instagram with your page. So anytime you post on your lash page, it automatically goes to Facebook. And there's also a lot of people on Facebook that are in your area. And if you like Facebook, I personally don't like it that much, but if you like Facebook, it's a good place as well to promote yourself on it. I have had a lot of people book through Facebook with Facebook's booking system, and then they'll message me and say, hey, I have an appointment, and I'm like, no you don't. Like, Facebook is not even attached to my actual booking system, so I have to like message them and like find a day through my system. But if I knew how to work Facebook better, I think that would be another good place to promote yourself. While I was working like on my website, on my Instagram, Facebook, Google, Yelp, I was taking some time when I wasn't as busy with the little clients that I was slowly building up. I was getting out of the studio, getting out of the house. I was getting ready and going out and talking to people. This was pre-COVID, but right now I feel like it's still a good time. People have been cooped up at home and they want that personal connection once again. So go out there. I would go to Sephora, the mall, Starbucks, and anytime I would encounter any woman, every single woman I would encounter, I would try to talk to them, and I would be like, look at them from head to toe. If I like their shirt, if I like their hair, if I like their nails, I would bring it up. Do not be ingenuine. Don't say you like their shirt when you don't, because if you guys start talking about their shirt, you're gonna be like in your mind, that shirt is hideous, and you're having to be fake. So don't do that. Be genuine. Once the conversation's going, a good question to ask is, are you from the area? If they say yes, be like, oh my god, me too, I do lashes over here, where do you work? People love to talk about themselves, but if they are intrigued and you throw that in there, like, oh, I do lashes for a living, what do you do? They could either talk about their business, and then you can say, oh, well, lashes would be great for you. You can say how easy they are to wear, how good they feel, how like when you wake up, it's like a time saver. So having that personal connection and meeting people out in the wild, out in like stores or something, is going to be a good foundation. Another great way is word of mouth. So that could be either, once you have a client, treat them amazing, of course. Show them how amazing you are and how much you're needed in their life, in their routine, in their beauty routine, right? So once you're like super awesome and they love their lashes, especially right when they open their eyes and they're like, oh my god, these look amazing, ask them for a Google review, ask them for a Yelp review. That's already a little bit of word of mouth. When someone finds you on the internet, they're gonna go to the reviews and be like, wow, like this woman said all of this nice things about this lash artist. I want to check her out. And another way as well is you can tell them, hey, if you refer your mom, your sister, a friend, I can give you $10 off, percentage off, whatever you feel like is best for you, and I'll give them that as well. And if they love you, which of course they're going to love you, they're going to be super happy about that discount, and they're definitely going to be raving about you to everyone they encounter. So let's say they're at the store and someone comes up to them and says, oh my god, your lashes are amazing, and they have already in their mind like, oh, if I recommend her, she's gonna get $10 off, I'm gonna get $10 off, let me like hype her up a little bit. Yes, my lashes are amazing, my lash artist is great, da 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 da. If you go and tell her I recommended you, she'll give you $10 off. That's another great way to like just get more clients. I know sometimes it might feel like there's no one out there that wants to get lashes. It is very difficult sometimes, and at those points I would suggest doing maybe like a discount to get models in, to get pictures, to like get your work out there, and maybe hopefully their friends look at their lashes and then want to come to you to pay full price. So like I said, it just takes some time, takes some dedication, but I'm sure that all of you out there will be fully booked. You just have to work a little bit hard and find a little bit of tips, tricks that might work for you, because some of the things that I've done might not work for you, and I've definitely done some things that did not work for me, like Groupon, but that might work for you. Groupon, look into that. You have to put your services on Groupon. People find it, they pay half of your price. So let's say your service is $200. You have to put it on Groupon for $100, and then Groupon takes 50% of that, so you only stick with $50. And most of the time people want to have the full set and a fill included, so you're charging $50 for a full set and a fill. That could definitely work for some people. For some people like me, it kind of didn't. I still do have like 2 clients that came from Groupon back when I was doing Groupon, but that's so little and far in between, so you can just work with a lot of different things. But I know that you guys will all be fully booked. Si quiere Dios, like I'm telling you guys, it's just a little bit of hard work, but I hope you guys enjoyed and got some tips from this. If you did, don't forget to share it with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe. If you click my face, you're subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye!